welcome back. I've got another swatching video for you. Angel Kisses up first. Absolutely beautiful colour, I really do love this. So I ordered in like a bunch of colours that I didn't have, but I also did a restock order as well, but I've kept all of them in the video because I'm having to redo all of my colours, like re-swatch them onto these stiletto ones, so I thought, well, why not? And I don't know how I missed this one, Devil Rose. Like, it's such a beautiful, beautiful super dark red. Like, it's like a blood red. No way. Not like a fresh blood red, but a coagulated blood red. How bad does that sound? Great description, Leah. Great. Oh, God. Sorry, it's just the only thing I could think of. Like, immediately when I was swatching it, I was like, oh my God, where were you for my Halloween nails? Like, the perfect red, you know? I know, I'm weird, I know. You should be used to it by now, though, be honest, you know? I think I have more pinks than there are shades in the world. Hey ho. Every day I still surprise myself with like how pigmented these colours really are. Like how easy it is to coat a full nail in just one bead, sometimes two. Like it's insane, and it's so thin as well. Like it is literally just like using polish, super thin. Oh, and I love this one too, Cupid. It's a pink. I'm going to class it as a pink. Other people see different colours, I don't know. Maybe all your eyes are broken. But it's one of them pinks that's like right in the middle of pink and red. Gorgeous pink, but look, again, one bead, the whole thing, just, oh. And Harliquinn, I had to get this neon one in because I don't have a green. That's like the only one out of the neons that I don't have anymore. And I have honestly been trying to like put it off because, you know, summer's gone and nobody wants neons. But then I thought, no, hang on. Christmas is coming and some people like the Grinch. So I didn't really need it all, did I? I just kind of used that as an excuse to buy it, of course. Yeah, as you do. And of course, as you know, I hate green, but I still love this one. It's like, it makes me want to do like an emerald kind of set, or Wizard of Oz, just because it's called Oz. It sparkles, that's what it does. If you put sparkles in a green, I'm happy. If it's just a bland green that's really green, nope. Nope. And Christmas is coming, so I thought, why not? Let's get another red, because this is like super red. It's not quite as tomato coloured. This is what I would call like, well, this is what I would just call red, to be honest. And then like the pillar box red is the love affair, which is like tomato red, you know, proper bright. So it's good to have a good collection. Excuses. And this as well. Me and my daughter got into a bit of an argument whether we would class that one as a grey or a purple. I say purple, she says grey. And then I brought this one out, I was like, no, this is grey. Marshmallow. super love this grey. Like an ashy grey. Like gorgeous. Beautiful. If you notice, that's like my favourite word for everything that I like. Beautiful. Alright, this one, Fusion. This has just taken over every other purple I've ever had in my possession. What a colour. I'm painting everybody's nails purple this Christmas. They don't know it yet, but they're gonna know. Just joking, just joking. And I was like, is there any yellows that I don't have? And then I found this one. I was like, oh my god, where's this been hiding? Super lemony yellow. Beauty. Good old fairy cake. This one is still a stunner. It's like still one of the favourites with my ladies as well. Because of the rose gold, but because it also has like the holographic elements to it as well. So it generally goes with any colour whatsoever because of the hollow in it. It picks up loads of different colours, so it just matches. Just fab. Another grey. Slightly darker than the powder grey. Or maybe not darker. Maybe just, well, yeah, darker. Yeah, I'll shut up. Luscious Lavender. I have so many purples. Purples and pinks, like, just like mass amounts of purple and pinks. I have never done a khaki set of nails, like a camo set. So I thought, well, if I buy the Khaki Camo, then I can potentially force someone to have a camo. That's how it works with me. You sit at my desk and then I try and persuade you into something, and then you just eventually give in and be like, okay then, whatever, do it, just do it. Well, usually they come in and like, I'll say, pick a colour, and then I generally just do whatever I think will work best, to be honest, because that's what they want with me. Like, it's very rare that somebody comes in with an actual design that they want me to imitate or do my own version of. Anyhow, after all that yapping, as usual, just a close-up of all of these beautiful colours. And don't forget, the stilettos are in stock now, so you can hop on and buy them, £3.50, £4.50. And if you use my discount code LEAH5, you'll get an extra cheeky discount off on top. So thank you for joining me as always, and I'll see you soon. Bye!